Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Play by Sephora Beauty Subscription Box. Play by Sephora is a monthly subscription box available through Sephora.com. It's $10 a month and you get 5 deluxe samples. You get one of several variations of the boxes based on your survey results. So you'll put in like your skin type and your hair color and your eye color, and they'll sort of customize it based on what they think your needs are. It's by far one of the cheapest beauty boxes on the market, and it's primarily because they focus on sample sizes. So they ship it to you in this sort of cardboard mailer box. When you open it up, they have a sort of poster size flyer that talks about the different products. This is mine for December, and they have all the descriptions for the products they sent me. On the other side, they tend to have fun stuff as well. Sometimes it's games or puzzles or little articles. It just sort of varies based on the month. So your samples come in what they call a reusable makeup bag. It's not a cosmetic bag, it's more of a glorified Ziploc, but they are cute and they come in different colors every month, so you can kind of collect them if you want to store your products that way. So you usually get 5 deluxe samples and a bonus. The bonus this month were these sample packets for the Drybar Blonde Ale shampoo and conditioner. It's like a violet tinted shampoo and conditioner that's supposed to help sort of brighten blonde tones. I'll probably try it out, but I don't know if it's something I would buy or seek out on my own. Next is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. This is one that I've actually already gotten. I think it was from Ipsy or one of the other boxes. I don't mind it. I'll probably use it. It's pretty expensive, so I don't know if I would buy full size. This has been a super buzzy product and I'm not sure how effective it is, but it smells really good. It smells like kind of caramely pistachios. I'm not quite sure, but it smells quite nice. Next, they sent me a mascara. This is the Grand Cosmetics GrandeDRAMA mascara. I wasn't that excited about this mascara because I really have a lot to try right now, but I was excited to see that it is vegan and cruelty free, and then the brush is sort of this thickening curling brush, which is my absolute favorite. So this may actually become one that I buy full size, so I'm really excited to try it. Next, they have the Ouai body cleanser. I have some hair products by this brand and they tend to work pretty well. It seems like it'll smell nice, so I'll probably use it, but I don't know if it's something that I would pay like Sephora prices for. I like a lot of the body cleanser, body gel, body wash products that I get like from Target that are much cheaper. Next, we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Seems like it's a nice moisturizer, sort of a gel consistency. It's supposed to sort of plump your skin and help with anti-aging a bit, it sounds like. It's something I think I'll try. I do like Tarte's cosmetic products, and it's neat to see that they're getting into skincare as well. I'm not sure that I would splurge on their skincare because I have a lot more inexpensive products I really like, but I am excited that I get to try it out as a sample in this box. Last but not least, we have the Marc Jacobs Beauty Highliner Gel Eye Crayon. This is in the shade Blacquer 42, which is basically a black. I've heard a lot of people recommend Marc Jacobs Beauty as a cruelty-free alternative to NARS, and this will be the first product from theirs that I've tried. The ingredients in Marc Jacobs Beauty products typically aren't as gentle or natural as what I usually use on an everyday basis, but I am really excited to see how this performs because it might be great for special occasions or some time when I really want my makeup to stay. I'm quite happy with the stuff I got in my Play by Sephora box this month. If you like trying out Sephora products but don't want to pay a ton of money, this can be a fun way to do it. However, there's one thing I recommend more than the monthly subscription. Several times a year, Sephora will post the Play boxes for sale on their website. So I picked up like 4 or 5 of them at once, and they're about $10 each. Basically, you can see what products are in ahead of time, and then if there's at least one thing you want, it's usually worth it to get the whole box. So for example, I wanted to try out this highlighter from Becca. The mini size, which was the smallest size I could buy in Sephora, was $22. But I was able to find it in one of their Play boxes on Sephora.com for like $10. So even though it was a smaller size, it was still a lot cheaper for me to try it out than it would have been to buy the full size one. I really recommend these Play boxes, but mainly if you buy them after they're posted on the website. If you do the monthly subscription, you don't have any guarantees of what you're getting in your box. But if you think you're going to use a lot of the products, or if you want to share the boxes with free friends and family, then the monthly subscription is definitely a good option too. I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.